Hi YouTube, this is just a bike check on the We the People Justice. Start off with the back wheel, which is a Maxxis ringworm with a salt rim. Don't know what kind the hub is. Next move on to the frame, which is a We the People Justice frame. It's pretty good, to be honest. It's just that I've taken the brake off and stuff, as you can see, but I forgot to take the caliper off. Yeah. The sprocket is a salt sprocket. Salt cranks. Your cart pedals. Front wheel is a salt with a salt pitch roll wheel. Pretty good. Got a 661 helmet. I bought these grips. Don't buy them. Pretty shit. I don't even know what grips they are, that shit. I super glued them because I'm getting a new bike, which is the We the People Zodiac 2011. Yeah, those grips are shit. They just move all the time. Don't move. They moved right down to the middle of the handlebar, right to the end of the place where the grip goes, and it's quite annoying. The seat is the We the People seat, but I tore it and because I got bored. An Odyssey seat comp there. Yeah, another cart pedal and salt crank. Salt headset, I think. Yeah, salt headset and salt stem. Yeah, I forgot to take the brake lever off, and that is salt that you get with it. We the People forks, We the People handlebars, but I have got some Odyssey lumberjack bars that I just can't find. Yeah. Is that really it? Yeah, I think that's it, yeah. So see ya.